We're in Tirana, Albania and headed to this beautiful place called Bovilla Lake. We're going to hike for about an hour all the way to the top to enjoy this beautiful view. On the way we saw a big tree on the ground and I challenged myself to do this. I'm afraid of heights. But it was definitely worth it because this is one of the places that I will never forget. Then we drove to this amazing spot and we stood over the bridge watching the river, enjoying the sunset, and at night we tried to buy corn. Walked around the city and ate the best food.
Finally got the car. I think it's 2018 or 2020 diesel, so it saves more cash. It's clean and big. Space for the suitcase because we're moving and we have 2 suitcases. Super nice. Our first breakfast and we got our first money.
Leg.
The leg money. Feels so nice and small. That's 200.
This feels like Monopoly.
Yeah, 200 is like 2 euros, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Something with chicken.
€2.50. We're gonna get more sandwiches. €12 for that.
Look at this one.
Castles,
Mario.
Driving
to the mountains. We're gonna visit a really nice place with a bit of a hike and a really great view over a whole lake. So we are pretty lucky that the sky is breaking open because it was a bit cloudy this morning, but we're getting there. Yeah. Our master is driving.
Driving in Albania is so different.
Yeah, it is. We will show you some roads when we are closer to the mountain. We were reading that it was horrible to drive, so let's see.
Lots of holes and bumps in roads, people driving everywhere.
That's in the city. Now we're outside of the city.
Yeah, outside is quiet, more quiet, less cars, but the road is a little bit better.
Yeah.
But you always find random bumps like now. And we're having fun, it's a new experience, it's nice.
This is the road where we're gonna go in.
That's sick.
I think this is that road.
30-minute drive.
Let's hope this is not the rest of the 30 minutes. Okay.
Oh.
Is that even gonna work?
No.
Yeah.
He has space, but he doesn't know how to drive either. Open the door. Yeah, they just push.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. He kept pushing on us and he doesn't care. So we have to find a way for him.
But you did it.
I mean, yeah, but he kept pushing on me. I mean, just give me a break, let me breathe. Let's find out if you can pass at first.
So many holes.
Yeah, we've been driving for the past 15 minutes like this and we still have 20 more to go. Like.
So it was actually the 30 minutes is this road. Last sharp corners and then we are finally at the start of the hike.
Here we are. It's
already so beautiful.
So yeah, when we saw this road, we actually stopped the car and now we're hiking. Yeah, we're just walking, not hiking. But this looks nice, that's the beginning. So we probably have to reach somewhere over there.
Yeah.
Or somewhere over there. How old this tree could be?
It's so old.
Look at this branch, that's my hand. Like, wow. Somebody, oh, do you think they cut it? I think so, maybe they cut, oh. Yeah, but that's sad, right? How massive this tree is. And there's a small river here. Look how massive. This thing is... I think it was here. And then, yeah, they cut it down from there because it was dead. But I think that it falls and blocked the road. But look how soft. You can see it moving. Look.
Yeah, here I'm afraid.
Yeah. Easy. We're actually almost dead. We didn't start yet. But if you guys can see, you see that path? Over there.
On the rocks.
Yeah, there's a path just literally right there. People are walking there. There's these stairs here all the way to that top. Holy moly! So, first small hike, but look at this view, looks sick.
Yeah.
100 like €1. There's this guy. This is legit, so you have to pay for him. No, it's not gone. Wait. Wait, don't panic, she's gone.
So cute. Preparation.
Yeah, we're gonna take this hike with the drone. Looks nice, look. Like now you're really hiking.
Now the hike actually starts. For this part, it took about 50 minutes and we finally reached the top to be amazed by this beautiful view.
Success, our first hike, and look at this. That is one of the best places. Look at that. I'm gonna head to that rock over there, take some nice footage. Here goes nothing.
I'm big. I can.
Well, look at this. There's
That's
like a small cave here, and there's a water dripping.
oh yeah.
Well, look at this.
Yellow S.
Yeah, never seen it before. It looks like a bee. So that's not the best shoes for hiking, to be honest. It's so plasticky.
Is it slippery?
My shoes, yeah. Not like the caoutchouc at bombs.
Rubber.
Yeah.
Oops. I'm afraid of heights.
now we're heading back. There is one more point that we're gonna see. We had our sandwiches and snacks. We just sat there and enjoyed the nature. They look nice. Someone there with the goats or the sheep. I don't know what they call them. There's actually few people, which is nice because it's not so packed. So we were actually there, and you can also go to that. So we also went to that rock and took some nice footage, which is super cool. It was a bit scary because it was so windy. Like, it was fine at the beginning. 20 minutes of flying the drone, and the whole wind switch. It was like super strong wind. Guys, it was amazing, but you have to make sure that you park where we actually parked and enjoy the hike. It's not so nice to drive there all the way to the top and then just walk 10 minutes for the view and the hike. It's nicer to hike it from the bottom. Just when you reach the lake where the bridge is blocking the water, then you start your hike all the way there. Lake Bovilla, that's our first location. Indeed. Today. We had a really nice day. We had no clue what we're gonna do, but yeah, we just arrived, checked the location, we checked few places, and then we decided to do this one. Yeah. I am so happy after today. Yeah. And now we're heading back. There is one more point that we're gonna see.
Maykel.
The best toy. I have no clue how to fly a drone, and that's my second time I fly this drone. And look at this footage. That's first time actually flying the drone in the nature, and literally it takes nothing to fly this drone. Hello. Can we take a...
We didn't understand at first, and neither did he, but we managed at the end to get 2 barbecued corn, and they were actually nice.
Because you get both.
Huh? Good?
€1.
€1. Yeah, we want to. You want to?
Yeah, I have a coin.
You have?
You get both.
Deze? Ah.
Scrivete, non dite come dico è.
Yeah.
Both, sia io, sia tu e chi tu. Come già tu che dici?
Oh, you want it to be soft? No, deze.
Get both.
Yeah. I just touched it. Yeah. This one. Yeah, so he's asking if you want it with charcoals or not.
Yeah.
Pandit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you give him money?
Yes, I did.
How much?
Papa.
€2.
Yeah? And one.
Drie.
Jay?
Dit zo, die milik ben. Niet meer, man. Huh?
Dit is €2.
Oh. Regel, met
Yeah? Thank you, man. Does he have salt? Can you salt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Merk toe geen.
I think this is salt.
Yeah.
Deze?
Salt, pepper.
Yeah, salt,
salt?
pepper.
Oh, salt, po.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Put
want?
salt, it's so nice. He's lost with the language.
Yeah, me too. Thank you.
But this looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you say thank you? Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. It's the first time that I eat it on the barbecue, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean we have it in my country, but that's the first time I eat it on the barbecue. You guys, we discovered this path, and look, there's a whole bridge you can walk from up there, all the way to there, all the way around this lake, and look at this beautiful view.
We took a walk by the river, then went back home to shower and ended the day with a really nice dinner. Oh my god, really nice.
Really, really nice food. Super tasty.
So this is a traditional Albanian.
Traditional Albanese food.
Albanian meal. What is it again? Casserole. It's so soft to meat. It's so nice. Have you tried it already?
There's meat? Oh my god.
That's on your plate.
It's a lamb.
It is, yeah. Good, right?
So good.